LVM Aura Cologne reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're looking into buying LVM Aura Cologne, you might be expecting more than just a scent. The marketing promises pheromones, attraction, confidence. But the surprising truth? The reality often falls short. Most people get dazzled by the claims, but here's what really matters for your money. First, what is it? The product claims to blend fragrance with pheromones to boost attraction and social impact. The reviews reveal strong skepticism. Some sites label it not worth the hype, exaggerated claims, classic dropshipping scam. Second, pricing. You'll pay for the branding and the promise more than for any verified scientific effect, because there's no peer-reviewed evidence that pheromone colloquants make you more attractive in a real, measurable way. Third, what you get for your money. You get a decent fragrance, it might smell pleasant, you might enjoy it. One Reddit user. Are fit for when you want to smell unique. Makes me feel like I'm on a date but does it deliver attraction or magnetism? According to critical reviews, unlikely. Fourth, the value check. If you pay a relatively modest price and you treat the product as just a nice fragrance, you may feel satisfied. But if you buy expecting transformational social effects, you may be disappointed and feel the price was too high for what you got. Fifth, verdict. Several reviews conclude, while it may smell decent, the exaggerated claims point to a classic dropshipping scam. So your money buys scent marketing packaging promise, but may not buy the effect. In summary, LVM Aura gives you a fragrance experience, but the extra promise of attraction boost doesn't come with solid evidence. If you're buying for the scent and packaging, go ahead and judge comfort versus cost. If you're buying for the promised effect, be cautious. Make sure the price aligns with what you truly expect. Conclusion: evaluate what you value, fragrance or claim. If fragrance alone meets your needs, great, you may be getting fair value. If you're investing for something more, reconsider or choose a traditional high-quality cologne with known reputation.